Chris, we're here at Inspiration Through Innovation and CNC Robotics. You're collaborating with Tebis, obviously you use KUKA robots and SECO tooling. How's it going?
It's going very well, thank you. Yeah, I mean this is for us a new venture with Tebis. The first time that we've actually worked together at an exhibition. But yeah, we've in terms of the preparation and everything, gone very well. We've got some great tooling here from SECO. We've got great software, and obviously we're demonstrating our robot here, which is integrated with the software and the tooling to produce this component, which is basically an aerospace item. It's composite material, very hard, durable material, but the SECO cutters are doing a great job with it.
Yeah, the composite, it's a big market now, isn't it?
Indeed. For us, I mean, we do a lot of machining of composites, drilling, things like that, but also trimming of composites. And that is actually one of our major markets, yes.
And Jerry, from a technology standpoint, how have you guys helped?
Well, obviously we're working in partnership with CNC Robotics. It's a great solution for them for their very technical, complex geometry, whether it be actual machining or trimming. And we've got all the tools in our suite of software to assist them with that.
People get scared, don't they, about programming robots? How much programming is involved when you can use Tebis?
Effectively, it's quite simple, really. It's an extension like a 5-axis toolpath, but obviously we're controlling up to 8 axes now with lasers, with robots. So, you know, we can lock out all the different axes and actually manipulate around the part where we need to. So it is quite an easy, straightforward procedure.
You just work from an IGES file or something like this?
Yeah, any CAD model that we can bring in, whether it be CATIA or IGES, VDA, but we're not actually restricted to the CAD model itself. We can actually manipulate the actual toolpath inside Tebis, so we're actually machining it away from the actual profile curve. So if there was a minor alteration on, let's say, a trimming piece, we can actually easily adjust that inside Tebis without having to adjust the actual CAD model.
And Chris, just finally, how do you see this partnership going forward?
Well, obviously, it's as I mentioned earlier, it's the first time that we've worked together, and hopefully it'll be fruitful. We'll get lots of work together. One thing I was going to say, to add to what Jerry was saying there, that simulation is the important thing to do before we actually cut anything, and that's one of the beauties of a product like Tebis. You can simulate the whole of the cutter paths prior to committing it to the robot and doing the trimming operation, and that's very powerful.
So what you simulate is what you get?
Absolutely, what you simulate is what you get, yeah.